the alphabet adventure. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, rolling down the street. C is for cat with a gentle purr. D is for dog, the wagging fur. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for frog, hopping on the land. G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for horse, riding in the fall. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jam, sweet in my tummy. K is for kite, flying high and free. L is for lion, strong as can be. M is for moon, lighting up the night. N is for nest, where birds take flight. O is for octopus, in the sea. P is for penguin, waddling with glee. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow with colors all around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow in its might. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van, driving down the lane. W is for whale, they are big and blue. X is for xylophone, making music true. Y is for yacht, sailing on the bay. Z is for zebra, striped